welcome to my channel. I'm Milou and I am finally back with a new process video. It has been a while because I was quite busy with my design team and with moderator on Facebook, but this time I have a new project live or pocket page video for you guys. I am sorry about my voice. I have a sore throat. Well, it doesn't hurt, but my voice is gone. I had a festival last weekend and yeah, this happened. So sorry for that, but I wanted to get my video up. So if you don't want to listen to my voice, just mute my video and yeah, well, that. I am using the DLS Design, Document Life Stories Design planner kit from August, and it's called Iridescent. And in the kit I get a few 12 by 12 inch papers, some 6 by 8 papers, and a lot of embellishments. I first am looking for some papers to use as my background, as my cards, and as you can see, my my page protector has a 2 by 12 inch strip on the left side, and I just used a big paper for that. For all the other cards I am using the 6 by 8. If you trim those in half, you have a 6 by 4 card. So yeah, I'm fussing around a lot to find the right papers, and I wanted to go for the multicolor papers and some reds, yeah, watercolor, rainbow kind of papers. So here I am looking for papers to match. So finally I chose my papers and I am done with the first part. If you know my videos, you know that I like to cut out the inside of my card to use the papers for embellishments and stuff like that. So that's what I did. And here I am using some gold washi tape from the kit to cover up the branding strip. I do this because the page protector is a little bit higher than 12 inch, and when I use some washi and leave my paper a little bit longer, then it won't move in my protector, so that's why. This was the shape stamp you can buy as well, and I used it to give some interest to my papers, and I am using the washi tape to include some gold glitter. When I'm finished with putting all my pictures in the right place, with finding my papers, then I am going back to the embellishments and I will start looking for some things to match. I'm putting the big ones down, and when I have done that and I find a well, what's it called? My theme for the layout, then I will go back and go card by card in creating them. In the planners kits are also these stickers included. Yeah. The tag, I want to use some thread, and I love these wood veneer things. When I am happy with the way I arrange my embellishments, then I will go back and gluing them down. Those reinforcers, gold glitter reinforcers, were in the kit as well, and when you cut them in half, you can use them to peek out of an embellishment, and you can use one reinforcer on 2 places. Also the inside, the dots, you can use on layouts as well. I love putting faux stitching lines around my cards to make them finished. So that's what I do here. For this card I will go and look for a sticker. I thought I used a sticker, or no, I used a branding strip to make a banner with my 2-point flag punch by EK Success. I will use some washi, and then on top I will use that word. I wanted to use those cork stickers, but because they are a little bit thicker, I have to put my word on one side on a foam sticker, 3D foam sticker, and the other side I can just glue down on top of the cork. I will try and look for 3 places to put cork to repeat the element. And here you can see what it will look like. This little stamp set is in the kit as well, and there are really nice phrases. Normally I put phrases on another piece of paper and cut it out, but here I just used it on the label itself. I used the washi tape as a base, and on top of it the label will go there, and here I used one of the planner stickers to create a little more detail. So almost all my cards are done. Now I only have to do the journal card. Here you see I will use a little bit washi and this cute die cut heart I will put on top. And then I want to embellish the strip of paper on the left side. This page protector I use is from, I think it's from Snap, but you have the same one from Project Life itself, only then you don't have the 2-inch strip on the side, you will just have the 6 cards. I will finish my layout with putting 2 of the other cork pieces back and a little cluster on this piece of paper. I just cut a label in half and a little washi tape and a little die cut, and then it's finished. Here you can see you can use the planner kit for multiple things. I love to use it for scrapbook layouts and also for pocket pages. So yeah, I hope you got inspired, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.